today we're doing a weird ingredient challenge. I've been challenged with using Wasabi Peas. It was a little challenging, but it sort of gave me a reminder of sushi, so we're sort of going to stick with that in our way out. Yeah. So I've done two things with it. I firstly infused it with a little bit of Bacardi 4-year rum, and then I add a little bit of fresh wasabi in there, and I've let it sit for a couple of weeks so it's nice and strong in there. And then with the remaining of the peas, I blended it with a little bit of sugar and to make a really nice dust, which we're going to place on the top, make a lovely little pattern, and it does also add a really nice aroma at the end when you actually drink the cocktail. So yeah, I've used it in two ways. So firstly, I have to ice up. Bang. Oh, didn't expect to get that one. Alright, so this drink is basically a sours, so we're going to start off with 15 ml of fresh lemon and lime juice. And to make up for that other 15 ml that's missing, we're going to be using 15 ml of our homemade limoncello. It's slightly sweeter than others, so this drink is going to have a slightly spicy component and a slightly umami component. And then over here I have a mix of peppermint and elderflower. The peppermint's in there really just for the color, but it adds a really nice fresh taste into it. And the elderflower gives you a lot of sweetness which really comes through. And then we're going to be going to our wasabi rum. And for that we're going to be using a healthy 50 ml. Back straight in. And another component for our sweetener, a little bit of rooibos, about 15-20 ml, give or take, and my favorite, aquafaba, 25 ml. And then going to add a bar spoon of wasabi for a little bit of extra kick. Then give it a little bit of a love tap and shake. Then throw. And then dry shake. And there we go. And I have a firm belief that every cocktail should be served in a cool glass. So we're just going to chill it with a little bit of liquid nitrogen. Some for our camera lady. And just cool it down. It's my favorite, just watching it spin. Then toss the glass out. And strain it into a chilled Mikanora. Okay. A little bit of vanilla droplets, as well as a slice of angos, across the middle. We'll be doing 3 dashes of vanilla bitters on the left. And our duster. Just gonna knock it right over the top. Just on the edge, little dash of fresh wasabi. And there we are. I call it Wasabi. I'm passing the challenge on to Kay Scott at Gorgeous George, and I've chosen the ingredient for you. It is mayonnaise. So good luck and happy shaking.